Hey yo, what's up guys? Today I got an airport. So this is my dad's airport. He bought it and he didn't know I could review it because it's him. Now I didn't bought it anymore, so I gotta censor that with my hand. You know, like all this stuff. So my dad bought this, so I'm just gonna unbox it again. So you see, last week I just unboxed and not airports, not this one. Wait, it have a texture. We'll talk that later. So the last week, like 1 week ago, I just unboxed a MacBook Pro. I'll put the thumbnail up here. Okay, you see it? Okay. So then I gotta unbox a new one. So I will tell first, this have a texture to it. What texture meaning? If you touch by itself, it's like the only airport is bumping up like this. You see that? It's a bit bumping up. If my camera's focusing, it's a bit bump up. In my naked eyes, not bumping up. My own naked eyes, not bumping up at all. Still a bit bumpy, but it's like sticker. This is an Airport Pro. Airport Pro? Not Pro. It doesn't say Airport. It's just Airport, not Pro. So that's only airports. But another thing is, it's an Airport Pro. Pro? What Pro? I mean 2. My dad just bought an Airport 2. Okay? Not 1. So that's great. So like and subscribe too. So I just did it on my old MacBook Air, 2013 MacBook Air from my dad. So whatever. Last month I unboxed an iPad and a smart cover and MacBook, and that's 3 stuff. But it took very long, so this could be very slow because there's loads of stuff in here. The main thing is airport, so I need to connect this to my dad MacBook, to the iPad. But I want to say first, this doesn't support some Android, because some Android doesn't support, but it's still useful. And when you use Android, it's not full quality. So I'll see you at my home. I guess gotta unbox it. Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the new Airport 2. It's not new, but it's old now, but it's still good. So I got this unboxing knife. It's not a knife, but it's a thing. So let's just unbox this. Oh, you hear the sound? It opened it. Look at this. I just do this. And it opened it, so it's a sharp one. A sticker too. I don't know what's that sticker. So let's open this sealed. Let's keep this sealed first. Up there. So let's open this airport. It came with Apple Studio 7, so I don't care about that. So it's getting out here. Look at it. Do you see that? That'll be the thumbnail. That's right. They have Apple in California. It's like iPhone. Apple in California. So put the camera up later. Apple in California. Unboxed it. The airport is here. So let's put the airport on the side first. Okay. This airport, let's put it in here first. On the side. So inside, you just gotta pull this thing up. It came with a charger. That's great. It came with a charger. That's it. Lightning to USB. So you can charge your iPad like normal everyday iPad. So let's keep that. This is from my dad. I bought it. Just kidding, my dad bought it. And my dad just wanted his own airport, so I just bought it. So this is the airport. This is going to be a short video because it doesn't have that much thing. But you see my next video, and to see it, it's unboxing an LG TV. So let's peel this. Satisfied. It feels very great, guys. The wrapper is still plastic, but still great. It feels great. So do you want to open it and see me pairing it with my dad iPad that I'm using to kickstand? So you guys see it first. I don't want to see it. Is it great? Let's see by myself. Let's pick this up. It's an airport. Let's wear this. Oh, feel very comfortable. So let's pair this thing. comfortable too. So let's go tell my dad and let's pair this thing. So I'll be back in a second. Guys, so my camera falls. Bad quality. Okay, better. So it came with this, so I gotta open this. So this is not Type-C, but Lightning. So I gotta keep it in a wrapper for my dad so he can unbox it by himself. This is his channel, but I'm taking over, so my dad can his own channel. So let's put it in the wrapper so that I want you guys to see it again. It's working condition. This is the right and this is the left. So I gotta dig in the stuff. So this not flimsy at all. It's feel great and it's high quality plastic, but high quality. So there's a metal on the back, and you see here. This is the airport. It's still left and right here, and here too. And if you want to check the battery, if you have airport, you're gonna know. But who doesn't have? Look at this review. So you see this button over here is invisible, so I guess you can see it a bit. You see there? I will circle it later. So circle it, enter. Okay, thank you. And here, if there's no battery, it won't have any logo at all. But I don't know how to check this battery. So this is pairing, I guess. So let's keep in the wrapper. Then I'm going digging this apple in California. I want to check it out. What does it have inside? So let's put this wrapper again. Okay, finish. Let's keep it in the box. So I need to do this as I do every day. They unboxed last week ago. I'm unboxing a MacBook Pro and iPad. So let's put this back. Wait. This is the wrong side. Hard to put back. I'm not a professional, but I started a new channel. I started this channel for years now, so it's gonna be great. Put it back. Put it back like that, so I can pull it up. So let's go digging in here. Any Apple sticker? Oh, forgot to mention, it came with this Apple instruction. How to pair it. You didn't have how to pair it. You need to be with iPhone. My dad has an iPad, so he used iPad. And a MacBook too. So this can use with watch, iOS, Mac OS, and iPhone. So how to pair it on instruction, I don't care because I'm not using it and giving it to my dad. Other instruction, and instruction. So I don't use this instruction, so let's just put it back in the sleeve. And that'll be all for the unboxing. Wait for next TV. So goodbye guys later. I think it's see you later alligator. Like in the movie called Lego Movie. I like that word. So see you later alligator. But not now. I'll go unbox TV later. So this is hard to put it in, so it took a bit of time, so I'll see you. Already finished now, so put it back. No sealed anymore. Oh, forgot to mention, and at the first it's 3D. It's bumping up a bit. Thick boy over here. It's thick. You want to see it? It's very thick inside. Look. Oh, thick. So I'll give it to my dad. Let's see his reaction. I reviewed airport. So let's give it to my dad. Let's go give it to my dad. So, Dad, do you want an airport? I'm giving airport. So I'll give his airport later because he's doing his work. So I'll give him this airport and I'm not giving it away. So I really want airport. Are you serious? My guitar is falling. So guys, I think it's goodbye later. But let's go and see this airport again. So it's made in California. It's all airport. It's airport 2 with charging case. It can charge. So it's Apple in California. Want to see. So if you have an airport, do the instruction. If you can screenshot it like that. And the best part is, the best part is I like the airport. I like how it's feeling. I put it in your left ear. You see it? It feels great. It's not like normal headphone. They use like this free bud light from Huawei. Because my phone is Huawei and my dad just bought this one. So it's unfocused because you can't see that much. And you know, it's all about grading. I don't know, but I use Huawei, my dad used Apple. He used Apple iPad, Apple MacBook, Apple Magic pencils, and Apple Magic accessories. He don't use Apple phone. He doesn't use iPhone. He doesn't use iPhone at all. He uses other stuff. So I'll see you later in the TV. Goodbye, guys.